Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought I'd update you with, as I said on YouTube, my delivery is coming tomorrow at 9 PM. So I'm looking forward to that. And also, I thought I'd tell you all about them. I've got it all written down there, that's why I'm looking down. So, I got them in sea blue. And they're Google Pixel Buds A series, and they cost me £85, which I mean it's not that expensive. The Pro ones are more expensive, but I got them in. They come in charcoal, dark olive, but I went for the sea blue. I will attach a photo in there so you can see what they look like. I got them off Amazon. I mean, you can use your like if you've got forget what they're called now, the Pros, with the iPhone. I can't remember what they're called now. The AirPods, what you put in your ears, because you can use them, but I just didn't like them because I like to know how much charge they've got. So yeah. So they're coming tomorrow. I'll be doing an unboxing, so stay tuned for that. And I'll look forward to you showing you all of it tomorrow. So stay tuned for tomorrow because there'll be another unboxing of my brand new Google Pixel Buds, which I'm super excited. I can't wait. So yeah, should be fun. But anyway, thank you for all of your support through my YouTube and like COVID, you know, through the years. It means a lot. So yeah, I will catch you all tomorrow. Please subscribe and like my page, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.